Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've actually started to enjoy YouTube a lot क्योंकि the kind of reactions I'm getting from all of you is so much fun. I feel like I'm knowing a whole different section of the audience that I didn't know before. So it's like making millions of friends, new friends. So I'm really having fun and it's inspiring me to do newer and newer things for my channel. So today I'm going to do a very unprecedented thing. ऐसी चीज़ जो मैंने कभी नहीं की है. मेरी पूरी टीम मुझे बोलती रहती थी कि आप अपना होम टूर दीजिए, आप अपना कार टूर दीजिए, आप अपना बैग टूर दीजिए, आप अपना बाथरूम टूर दीजिए. एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज टू से नो कि ये मैं हूँ ही नहीं, मैं कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ ये सब. पर this video is going to be epic because I'm going to show you guys our nursery. But before that, I am a new mom. I need lots of new energy. Not new energy. I need lots of energy. Mom brain alert. I need lots of energy because I am a new mom. So for that, my trusted friend, ACB Moringa. This is the best thing I've added in my life. You know, मैं 21 day challenge कर रही हूँ. It makes me feel very light. It makes me feel almost zero bloating. And it's so easy to add into my routine. Just look at it. मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. ये अभी 2 मिनट में बन जाएगा. And also it's very tasty. Oh, yeah. Very important that it's very tasty. Let's go. Hi guys. I'm so excited. Welcome. We are here in my nursery जहाँ पे मैं अपनी लाइफ का 99% ऑफ द टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ अब. आई थिंक पिछले 3 महीने मैंने लिटरली सिर्फ मैं सोने के लिए रात को कहीं पे जाती हूँ और वो भी कहाँ होती है पूरी रात, मेरी नींद भी नहीं होती है. न्यू मॉम प्रॉब्लम्स. सैड म्यूजिक. No, happy music. This is the happiest phase of my life. But anyway, I'm digressing. I know a lot of people सोचते हैं कि Pariniti is this casual, loud, enthusiastic, funny person. And yes, मैं 50% वो इंसान हूँ. 50% of me is actually a very calm person. I love to meditate. मुझे soft aesthetic, soft colors, soft चीज़ें, soft लोग, meditative vibe. मैं घंटों गार्डन में बैठ सकती हूँ एक पेड़ के नीचे. मैं घंटों meditative music सुनती हूँ. So for our nursery, Raghav and I were very clear that we wanted a room that felt like a sanctuary. We wanted a room that was zen, that gave us Buddha energy because we knew we are first time parents and हम इतना कुछ सीख रहे होंगे. बेबी केयर में chaos होने वाला है. You know, there's feeding and there's crying and there's chaos and there's happiness and there are family members. There's just so much happening when there's a new baby. And thankfully, Raghav and my aesthetic is exactly the same. So we had no issue coming on a common aesthetic together. Nursery में जब दरवाज़ा बंद हो जाए ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि you are in a different world. We wanted peace, we wanted calm, we wanted healing energy so that all our love and energy just goes into our baby and nothing overwhelms us. So we wanted very soothing vibes, we wanted calm colors, we wanted light colors. We wanted these transparent curtains जिसमें से हम beautiful trees and nature देख पाएँ. We wanted these light walls with a very classy wallpaper. We wanted especially like this kind of paneling which gives us a very British vibe which we really like. And now that we have a boy, we wanted to give a very gentleman's vibe. You know, I know he's a little baby but we see him like, like a little gentleman. So I wanted very gentleman vibes also in the nursery. So when we were planning the nursery, I saw a lot of these Ralph Lauren inspired nurseries, which were very classy, which were perfect for a little boy, a little girl, whatever it was. But we did want these elements that describe our family's aesthetic, and our family's aesthetic is very classic with a touch of vintage. So especially for the carpet, so I wanted this very vintage Persian inspired carpet, which looks different from other nurseries, which looks a little more polished, a little more adult, but it still looks very beautiful and calming, because right now Neer is very young. He doesn't really understand the room aesthetic, so this room is more for us than for him. so this aesthetic is more for us right now. Even the toys and the artwork and his wardrobe and things that we've made for Neer are in subtle colors. The Cotmobile that I've chosen has all the elements with stripes, with spots, with all the animals and details, but it's in colors that are a little more classic and not so loud. Cars, which is expected for a boy, it's the most generic thing, car ka artwork. But I wanted to use vintage cars, so like the first cars that were invented, so I used very vintage artwork for it. His wardrobe, I got it custom made because I wanted this kind of rounded look and not the typical rectangle wardrobe. I wanted like this round one with this rattan detail. So cane and rattan is something Raghav and I are obsessed with. Throughout the house you will see everything is cane, everything is rattan. Because it's also beige and it has this abstract look to it, so we love it. So we were like, हम अपने बच्चे को force करवाएंगे कि तुम्हें भी ये पसंद करना पड़ेगा. You have to like cane and you have to like rattan. And then there's also a lamp which is like a cane lamp which matches this, and then everything else is like this very soft plush fabric, so it's very comfortable. Wherever you sit, you will be comfortable in this room. And now we have the busiest person in the world in our video. The only reason इसने हाँ बोली है is because this is related to Neer and his room. अगर ये मेरा रूम होता और मैं राघव को बोलती कि प्लीज़ आके एक छोटा सा इंटरव्यू दो, तो वो बोलता नहीं, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है.
It is our room also. हम भी इसमें बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. As much as the baby does.
Only because of the baby. Not because of me. But wife complains later. Raghav, people are asking us a lot.
Okay.
He show us the nursery.
Okay.
And he is my fellow partner in crime in designing this nursery.
नहीं, डिज़ाइन तो सारा इसी ने किया है. मेरा कोई बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें रोल नहीं है. ये जगह जहाँ पर अभी हम बैठे हैं, ये ओरिजिनली वॉज माई स्टडी. इट वॉज माई स्टडी रूम. मैं जब काम से आता था, ऑफिस से आता था, तो इस रूम में बैठ के आई यूज टू रीड अप माई फाइल्स, माई बुक्स, स्पीच लिखना, नोट्स बनाना, अगले दिन की प्लानिंग करना. तो ये मेरी स्टडी थी, जो अब मेरी स्टडी नहीं है. और अब ये मेरे बेबी की और मेरी बीवी की और हम सब की एक कलेक्टिव जगह है. It's the nursery.
Isn't this the heart of the house?
It is the heart of the house. I'm very happy that the study has moved out of this place, and it's turned into this beautiful, heavenly sanctuary.
Yeah.
A nursery.
See, sanctuary is the word for this.
Yeah. But ये सारा क्रेडिट इनको जाता है. ये डिज़ाइन इनका है, कॉन्सेप्ट इनका है. मैंने बस अप्रूव किया है.
Not true.
My approval was not sought. So I actually also didn't approve it.
But if I had made a crazy nursery, he would have not approved it. So thankfully, both of our aesthetic is the same. This carpet is a gift from Dadu. It's from his store. Because his aesthetic is also the same. हमारी पूरी family का aesthetic यही है. And now Neer will be forced to like this aesthetic बेचारा.
God willing. God willing. नहीं, आइडिया ये है कि इस रूम में अगर आप आएँ, so you should forget all your worries, all your troubles, and all other things that you do in your life. When you enter this room, it should only and only be about the baby, your time with the baby, your time with yourself actually.
Pregnancy के टाइम पे हम लोग जितनी प्लानिंग करते थे इस नर्सरी की और बातें करते थे, वो एक्चुअली उभर के आया है. And it's exactly the same. I literally called him last minute and said, please can you come for 5 minutes and talk about the nursery. He has come from Parliament. बताओ. So he's come
budget session of Parliament is going on. Chalo, now I'll head back to Parliament and you guys continue doing this.
guys.
All the best.
Now we are doing my makeup room next. You will come?
Please do. जाओ makeup room में
You will
जाओ.
come?
No, I don't have time.
Now you're busy.
Yeah. Now I'm heading out. See you guys.
Marriage